Making the decision to transition an aging parent into assisted living or memory care is one of the most agonizing choices a family will ever face. You are dealing with guilt, grief, and the stress of managing their daily medical needs. But right behind that emotional toll comes a sudden, overwhelming financial reality. Quality care facilities in Wisconsin are expensive, often costing between $5,000 and $10,000 every single month, plus massive upfront deposits just to secure a room. It's a financial burden that most families aren't prepared for. For most seniors, the wealth required to afford this level of care has been diligently saved over a lifetime. The problem? That wealth is completely locked inside the walls of the family home. This is what we call the healthcare liquidity crunch. You need cash immediately, but you cannot pay a nursing home with a house. Naturally, most families call a traditional real estate agent, but the traditional market is entirely the wrong tool for a healthcare crisis. A standard MLS sale in Wisconsin takes an average of 60 to 90 days to close. That's time you simply don't have. When your parent needs specialized care today, waiting 3 months for a buyer's bank loan to be approved simply isn't an option. And the waiting is only half the battle. Traditional retail buyers expect a pristine, turnkey home. Agents will routinely hand you a massive to-do list before they even list the property. Paint the cabinets, tear up the old carpets, fix the roof, and modernize the bathrooms. They expect you to clean out 40 years of accumulated family history. Emptying a childhood home is emotionally draining and physically exhausting. You're already acting as a full-time caregiver. You do not have the time, the energy, or the money to become a part-time contractor and moving company. You shouldn't have to choose between your parents' care and preparing a house for sale. There is a better way. At Fair Deal Home Buyers, we offer a specialized, dignified solution for Wisconsin families in transition. We buy properties directly. We buy 100% AZs for cash. There are no real estate agent commissions, no open houses, and absolutely no repairs required. Because we buy with cash, we can close in as little as 7 to 14 days, unlocking your parents' equity immediately. And the best part? You only take the keepsakes that matter. Leave the decades of attic clutter, old furniture, and trash behind for us. Our team handles the heavy lifting, giving you the liquidity you need to secure the best care for your loved ones right now. Navigating elder care is hard enough. Selling the family home shouldn't add to your burden. Focus on what really matters, your family. Let us handle the real estate transaction so you can focus entirely on supporting your parents during this transition. Message us today or call us for a completely private, compassionate consultation. We are here to help you through this. Fair Deal Home Buyers, making selling easy so you can start fresh. Call us at 414-409-8251.